Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Evan from San Antonio Auto Detailing. Just want to show y'all what we're getting done on this 2020 Tundra. Last week, this customer brought his Tundra in to get a full ceramic tint done. This week, he's bringing it back to get a full ceramic coating. We have Lenny, our detail specialist, finishing up on the stage 2 paint correction. And that's just to remove any type of imperfections that may be in the paint before we apply our ceramic coating. Just want to let everyone know that this whole month of June, we are offering a 15% discount on paint corrections as well as ceramic coatings. So come on by, stop by, come see us, and let's get your vehicle looking right for this upcoming summer.